How to remove saved videos from TikTok. Are your saved videos on TikTok piling up? Want to remove them, but don't know how? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to remove saved videos from TikTok in just a few seconds. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Icon at the bottom right. Narrator. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go to the Favorites section. Here, you'll find all the videos you've saved. To remove a saved video, simply tap on the video you want to unsave. Then, tap on the bookmark icon again. It will turn from filled to empty, meaning the video has been removed from your saved list. Now, go back and refresh your saved videos. You'll see that the video is no longer there. And that's it. You've successfully removed a saved video from TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.